If no one is subscribing or buying your vibe coded applications and softwares, it's time for you to understand that distribution or marketing is the new mode. Building is now the easy part. Anyone can go to Claude Code, Replit, Lovable and spin up a vibe coded application within a week. But then you realize that distribution is the new key moving forward. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to market and promote your application completely for free when you're about to launch, or you have already launched 3 or 4 months ago but still not seeing any traction. The platform that we are going to use to promote our product initially is going to be Product Hunt, which is the community of solo developers, indie hackers, founders, and even big companies like Google, Meta use Product Hunt to launch or promote their products whenever they have a new update or a new product to launch. And this video is not just going to be theory of Product Hunt. Instead, I'm going to show you how I'm going to promote my product, which is TiltIt, and show you full roadmap on how you can get your application on top 20, even in top 10 on Product Hunt launch day. But before even applying the application, let us understand what will be the whole plan for the launch day. So we have our Product Hunt launch, and the first thing you will need is obviously a good product, because no one wants to promote bad products that they won't even use for themselves. Second is selecting the launch day. Either it's going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday after 12 AM PST time zone. That way you will get a full day to maximize the chance of landing in the top 10, even in top 20. And why I have selected these 3 days? Because that's where the community is most engaged and active. Then third step is submitting our application in Product Hunt launch and preparing all the assets beforehand. And don't worry, I will list down all the assets that you will need. So let's head back to our Product Hunt dashboard so that you will understand comments and upvote. These are upvotes and these are comments. All of these products are ranked on how many upvotes they have got on the launch day. If you open any of the software dashboard, these are the total number of upvotes and the rank number. Here we have the comments. And obviously we need to be active on our launch day so that we can quickly reply and engage with the community. And last but not least part, which is going to be the most important, which is how we are going to get those upvotes and comments. Obviously we are going to refer to our friends and communities. Then if you have any active social media platforms like X, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever you're using, and we are going to create posts on LinkedIn, we are going to share our Product Hunt link on our Instagram story so that we can maximize our chance of getting upvotes from our existing communities, followers, and audience. But there is a big misconception that you need to have thousands of upvotes to land on top 10 or even top 20 on Product Hunt launch day. But that is not the reality. So if you see on any of the launch day, and if you scroll down, at number 8 position, this product has only 27 upvotes. Another example is number 15, which has only got 11 upvotes. If we scroll down at number 18, 12 upvotes. At number 55 is only 10 upvotes. So you can analyze the pattern from all of this Product Hunt launch day that if you need to land even in top 50, getting more than 10 upvotes or 20 upvotes will get you there. But at the same time, I'm not claiming that you will get on top 10 or even in top 5 by just having mere 20 upvotes. Obviously, it is going to be uphill battle to get on top 5 on the launch day, because that's where the best products will eventually land on. But that shouldn't demotivate you. In case you don't have any existing audience or followers, you can still get on top 50 if you already have a good product, and you can stretch a leg a bit far and share your Product Hunt link to your friends and families, and that will give you the head start that you need. And the best part about using Product Hunt is, first, it's completely free and you can get thousands of free website traffic and eventually dozens of signups and paid users. Landing in top 5 or top 10 position will definitely get you around 10 or 20,000 free traffic to your landing page or application. And that way you can achieve early PMF or product market fit and get early feedback from initial user and community. Now before we start any of this part, let us figure out from where we are going to get our upvotes. First of all, let me jot down all the names that I can recall. First one is going to be obviously our friends. So I have one friend named Divyanshi, and she has a huge audience, so I will ask her to put a story from our Product Hunt launch day on her Instagram IG, and obviously she is going to upvote our product. So for deliverables, upvote plus one IG story. Next is going to be our teammates that are working with me. So we have Kanchi, she is our social media manager, and Kanishka, she is our newsletter writer. Next is going to be my school community, because it is a group full of builders and they all understand this promotion and distribution phase, so they will definitely upvote our product. Then it is going to be my college WhatsApp group. I don't think any of them have heard about Product Hunt, but still we will share our link inside the WhatsApp group. After that, I have a creator group where I will share the link of the launch, and they all understand this whole process. So they will also help us upvote our application, which is TiltIt, and even if they are kind, they will also share via their Instagram or LinkedIn. Now let's talk about what we are going to do on the launch day. First is obviously going to be a LinkedIn post from the company account. And if you don't have a LinkedIn page, I would highly recommend, because it will make you authoritative and reputable and not just another vibe coded application. The next profile is going to be my LinkedIn profile. Next is going to be my Instagram story, where I will share the launch link, and all of my existing members and followers can help us upvote our application to the top. We are going to do an IG story. Obviously, other social media platforms like Facebook and etc. Now the whole reason of this brain dumping is so that you can also create something similar for your own launch. Let's say you have your own set of friends that can help you upvote your application, or current employees or team members that you are working with, then any existing community that you are part of it. In our community, we have seen tons of members promote the product hunt launch, and we all support on the launch day. So if you are not the part of the community, I will drop the first link in the description for you to join a community full of builders just like you. Awesome, we are done from our side on how we are going to get our upvotes from our community. Now we are going to leave it to rest to the product hunt community for them to judge, use product, and then upvote or leave any feedback inside comments. Coming back to Blackboard, first thing we have is our product, which is going to be TiltIt.video, which is 3D animation software. Second part is selecting the launch day. Today is Wednesday, so we will go live tomorrow on Thursday, 12 AM PST time. Now let's prepare all the assets beforehand and start submitting our application. So head over to producthunt.com and log in and sign up with your account. And yes, it's completely free to get started. Now before you even start application process, I would recommend to optimize your profile. Add a smiling picture, a tagline, about a section of who you are and what software that you are currently building, any links that you have, and badges that you will get. So make sure that you are active on Product Hunt on a daily basis, and you are supporting the community, upvoting different products, leaving feedback in case you like any of them, and that way you can verify that you're not a bot profile or account and you're an actual builder. So let's head over to our bio, click on profile, and fill out all of the informations to optimize your profile. Now let's click on launch your product, and we will add the link to our landing page. Let's copy that and paste it here. Get started. It will automatically fetch the logo, any social media link that was available on the landing page, the description of the launch. Obviously, we will optimize as per our preference. So first, let's start with the name of the launch. Obviously, it is going to be our product name. And for tagline, let's go to our App Store submission, where I have everything filled out already. So this is our promotional tag. Let's use that for tagline. Obviously, it is going to be very big. Let's clear it out. Turn any video or image into cinematic 3D animated video. Next, for the link to the launch, obviously we want to direct them to our landing page, from where they can understand what our product does, and they can use our product by signing up or creating an account. Therefore, I don't want to include or direct my audience to Instagram account. So let's remove that, and feel free to add any App Store, Google Play Store link in case you have it. Then I don't have any of the existing X account, so let's remove that. For description of the launch, I think we need to add more context to it. Right now we have turned screen recording into 3D animation software. Awesome. So we have given a brief. Let's add more context to it. Let's copy this and paste it here. Perfect. Next, we have launch tags, which basically means the category of your application that you want to place. We can select up to 3 launch tags. Let's view all the launch tag. We will select video, as my product is about video editing software. Next, it is a productivity tool. We will select here Makers tool, and lastly use marketing overall. Awesome, we have selected video, Makers tool, and marketing. Now we need to write the first comment that will be automatically published at the time of the launch. For all of this information, let's open our Claude Code. I'm using inside my ID VS Code. Product Hunt research. Let's provide the screenshot. Awesome. So it is pulling up the founder voice and not generic PH copy. First option is story led. Hey PH, Manthan here, the founder of TiltIt. Yeah, I think this is good. But let's select short and punchy one. Copy this and paste it here. We are good to go. So this comment will be automatically published along with our launch. Next step is image and media. Yeah, we have the perfect logo. And this is what it will look like on the home page. We have the name of the product, the tagline, the logo, and comments and upvotes. For the gallery, I don't know from where it selected this. Let me remove all of them. So we are going to use this app previews and screenshot that we have used inside our App Store application. Here are the App Store screenshots. Let me show you quickly. Screen recording to 3D animated videos, different assets. Awesome. Let me upload all of them. And don't forget to rearrange your original sequence. We want this first, second, third, and likewise. Next comes the video or loom. So let me head over to our landing page. And I already have a walkthrough of the entire application. This is the YouTube video. Let's copy this and paste it here. Here is the YouTube video that I was talking about. It's around 6 minutes and 20 seconds walking over how to use TiltIt even if you don't have any video editing skill whatsoever. So just create a YouTube channel and create a walkthrough video. It can be either a Loom video, YouTube video, whatever, and it will help with your launch video because people buy from people. They will understand that there is a real human behind this company solving the problem that I am facing. Therefore, it is definitely recommended to add video to your launch post because videos can help you to connect with your viewers. For the interactive demo, I'm not going to use any of this software and I'm just going to leave it as it is because we already have added our YouTube video. Let's click on Makers. I have worked on this product alone. Makers is going to be just me. And yes, I am a solo maker on this launch. Next, click on Shoutouts, which basically means which softwares or products that you have used in order to create your software or product. So let's add shoutouts. We have used Claude Code. Then I have added a comment on why we have used Claude Code. Let's add another shoutout to Vercel, which is our hosting platform. And last shoutout to Stripe, which is handling all of our payments for us. Perfect. So these are the 3 products that has make our product awesome. Let's click on Extra. Yes, this is a paid application, but it offers a free trial. Then for the promo code, I think we can give our community 10%, 20% off on the total price value. Since TiltIt is just one-time payment and it is not a recurring or subscription, they have to just pay $79 for once and they can use the software forever. I think we can give them 20% on this pro plan. Therefore, let's head over to our Stripe dashboard, go to your product catalog and create a coupon for your product. For the discount, we are going to give them 20%. And this is only for 1 month. Next information is funding process. We are not YC back nor we are VC back. We are bootstrap or solo developers. And next step is connect with investor, which we don't want to do it. So we are just going to leave everything as it is and click on launch checklist. Awesome. So we are done with the name, tagline, description, thumbnails, image to gallery, launch tags, and additional maker which is left. Right now we don't have any additional makers to support with our launch and that's completely fine. Now let's schedule launch for later. We are going to go live tomorrow, which is 18th of July. And as you can see, it will go live on 12 AM PST time. And congratulations, you have submitted to Product Hunt and this is what it will look like. We have the logo, name, tagline, description, our YouTube video, then rest of the images or media assets, our category, marketing, maker tools, and video. Launch with or built with. Team member is me, Manthan Patel, who is maker and hunter for this Product Hunt launch. Built with Claude Code, Vercel, Stripe. And this will be our first comment that will be automatically published along with the launch. From here, they can visit our website and start using our product. And you can see in the URL, it is referred by Product Hunt so that you can track the traffic that you have got from the Product Hunt launch, how many have become a free sign up and ultimately paid users. Obviously, you can configure and edit any of the current information in case you want to change or modify anything. Now let's copy our launch link and start promoting on your social media platforms. First thing we're going to promote is on LinkedIn. I have done with my copy. I have launched TiltIt on PH. So let me first tag TiltIt. And I will add the link at the bottom. For the post asset, I'm going to use this YouTube video that I have shown you. Let me schedule this. Next, coming to Instagram, we will create an Instagram story on the launch day and add that launch link so that they can upvote and help us get into top 10 number list on launch day. In a similar manner, create a LinkedIn post from the company account. I am done with my personal account. I will create an Instagram and Facebook story, as well as we will share it to our friends, teammates and family. And there you go. Now you understand how you can distribute and market your applications completely for free without you having to even spend a single penny on ads. And just creating a mere application or product hunt won't get you so far. You need to prepare all of this beforehand so you're maximizing your chance of getting on top 20 on the launch day.